In this video, I will show you how to remove the air filter for a Kia Picanto 2011 to 2017 1 litre engine. First, what you need to do, unclip this, unscrew this, ensure this Jubilee clip is loose, unclip the other side too, and then wiggle it, pull it out from here, wiggle it, and then it will disconnect and the box will come off. This is the dirty air filter. Look how dirty it looks. Also, there could be some debris in that box. You may need to hoover it up. So I'll show you again, very easy to remove the air filter. Just lift it up just like this. And when you put your new air filter in, put it like this.